During the earliest stages of the iPhone 15 rumor cycle, it was assumed that the top-tier model will be branded as the iPhone 15 Ultra rather than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Those speculations faded when media reverted to referring to the iPhone 14 Pro Max's successor as the iPhone 15 Ultra. If a fresh leak is to be trusted, we may have to revert to calling it the Ultra. According to Apple insider Andrew O'Hara, many sources have assured him that the top-tier model would actually be named as the iPhone 15 Ultra, despite prior reports that Apple would create more separation between the two premium models. Previously, it was expected that the iPhone 15 Ultra would have a telephoto periscope lens with 5x to 6x optical zoom, but O'Hara claims the phone will have 10x zoom, putting it in direct competition with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is one of the best camera phones available and something of a gold standard when it comes to zooming capabilities. It's unclear if the phone will feature a dedicated 10x lens or instead employ sensor cropping for 10x zoom. A credible leaker revealed in February that the iPhone 15 Ultra will have a brighter display than the Pro, but other than that, the two top-tier models would be essentially the same. The Ultra will feature a larger 6.7-inch screen and a larger battery, which is still the case. O'Hara's tweets are consistent with prior claims that both the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Ultra would include a titanium frame and action button instead of the mute switch, as well as the 3M A17 Bionic processor. They are also likely to feature slimmer bezels and improved camera lenses. According to some sources, the minimum storage will be upgraded to 256 GB, while higher capacity models may include 8 GB of RAM. According to various rumors, the iPhone 15 Pro's price might rise by $100, and the top-of-the-line model could cost $200, but sticker shock may deter purchasers, which is why Apple has opted to reduce manufacturing volume. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.